In today's video, I am going to teach you how to prepare appointment Bookingb schedule in Zoho CRM. To get started, make sure you are signed in to your Zoho CRM account and you are on the main screen. In the top right corner, locate the calendar icon. Click that calendar icon and from the options that appear, select Bookings. This takes you into the area where Zoho CRM connects with Zoho Bookings, so you can let people schedule time with you in a structured way. The first time you open this, Zoho will guide you with an on-screen prompt to enable Zoho Bookings. Go ahead and follow that prompt to enable it. This step is important because the booking features will not work until Bookings is turned on for your account. Once Bookings is enabled, set your availability. This is where you define your work hours and your break times, so the system knows exactly when you can and cannot accept appointments. Take your time here and be accurate. If your availability changes by day, review each day carefully, so the schedule matches your real working hours. Also include break times, so you avoid back-to-back bookings during lunch or other blocked periods. Next, you will define what people can book with you. Click Services, then choose the option to add a new service by clicking Add Service. Create a service that matches the type of appointment you want to offer, such as a consultation. Name it clearly so it makes sense to clients. This service is what appears when someone opens your booking page, so keep it straightforward and professional. After your availability and service are set, you are ready to share your schedule. Click Share to generate your booking link. This link is what you will send to others, so they can pick an available time without emailing back and forth. Finally, copy that booking link and paste it where people will see it, such as inside your email templates or on your website. From that point on, recipients can open the link, choose a time that fits your availability, and book the service you created. That covers everything you need to know.